Hey everyone, welcome to InfoComm 2023. We're here at Windy City Wire booth 2554. Today we're going to talk briefly about the kits for your small parts. As you all know, we lead with our low voltage wire and cable, which is all American made, by the way. But the kits is for your small parts, just another way that we're trying to help you reduce labor and wasted materials in the field. Kitting, these are the same size as our rack pack boxes, by the way, same footprint. But kits can have any combination of small parts, whether it be HDMIs, Velcro, TechFlex, cable ties, connectors, HDMIs, USBs, sticky backs. These typically go into your projects and you're buying these 50 or 100 at a time, and then you're doling them out per room. Leads to a lot of waste. Well, what we offer is a kit portal where you can go on and you can build these kits by name and room number, and we're going to put them in an individual box. We're going to tell you that that box is $74.23 per room, and you've got everything you need from a small parts perspective to get that room done. If you want to learn more about this, you can visit us at www.smartwire.com, and thanks for stopping by, Rave.